Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. QJS 6/G6 GPS Drone 4K Professional. Capture stunning visuals with the 8 million pixel camera, offering 1080p HD video recording and a complete omnidirectional sensing system. This G6 Professional foldable quadcopter drone boasts a maximum takeoff weight of less than 1 kilogram and a wind resistance of 10 kilometers per hour, ensuring stable and safe flight. Experience real-time control and live stream with the FPV Wi-Fi connectivity, enhancing your drone flying experience. Navigate with ease using the obstacle evasion feature, avoiding obstacles and providing a smooth and seamless flight. Control your drone with ease using the 4 channels control system and optical image stabilizer, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. Whether for toy gifts or professional photography, this drone offers versatile usage with its high-quality camera features. Number 2. Xiaomi V88 Drone 8K. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 8K high-definition Wi-Fi, and the optical flow high-definition lens at the bottom can switch the camera angle. The servo gimbal design increases stability, and its electronic image stabilization is added to make the picture lines clearer. The altitude fixing function has the altitude fixing mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function is stable in flight. Ultra-long battery life, 3.7 volts 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery. Battery life is about 45 minutes. Customize the route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the app mobile phone control, 1 key return, headless mode, up and down, forward and backward, left and right side flight, gesture photography, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, super long battery life, obstacle avoidance gimbal components. Stop without collision when encountering obstacles. Brushless motor provides stronger power and longer service life. 5 GHz anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, more stable flight, more convenient control. 720 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, no fear of crashing. The product is light in size and weight, which can avoid aviation control. Number 3. Xiaomi V88 GPS Drone Escape 8K. The arms are foldable, compact and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode provides more accurate flight. With 5G Wi-Fi function, it can connect to APK system, take photos, videos in real time through the mobile phone camera and transmit images. 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance can reach 3000 meters. 5G Wi-Fi 1080p/5G Wi-Fi 4K HD/5G Wi-Fi 6K HD/5G Wi-Fi 8K HD camera can provide a variety of high-definition images and videos. With altitude hold mode function, it provides stable flight. Orbital motion will make the aircraft fly in circles, providing a cooler shooting angle. Waypoint flight mode, just draw a route for a given path with a helicopter on the screen. Flight time up to 20–30 minutes. Headless mode, no need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying. 1 key return function, you can easily find your way home. 1 key takeoff, landing. 1 key automatic takeoff or landing. The drone will automatically take off or return to the takeoff position. With overcurrent protection and low battery protection, adopting 2.4 GHz technology, it has anti-interference function. -4 channels, can fly up and down, forward, backward, left and right. 6-axis gyroscope, more stable flight and easier control. With 3 flight speed switch levels, it makes flying more fun. Number 4. New S6RC Drone G6 Professional 8K. Captures stunning visuals with the 8 million pixel camera, offering 1080p HD video recording and a complete omnidirectional sensing system. This G6 Professional foldable quadcopter drone boasts a maximum takeoff weight of less than 1 kilogram and a wind resistance of 10 kilometers per hour, ensuring stable and safe flight. Experience real-time control and live stream with the FPV Wi-Fi connectivity, enhancing your drone flying experience. Navigate with ease using the obstacle evasion feature, avoiding obstacles and providing a smooth and seamless flight. Control your drone with ease using the 4 channels control system and optical image stabilizer, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. Whether for toy gifts or professional photography, this drone offers versatile usage with its high-quality camera features. 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance can reach 100 meters. With altitude hold mode function, it can provide stable flight. The orbital motion will make the plane fly in circles, providing a cooler shooting angle. Waypoint flight mode, just draw a route on the screen and use the helicopter as a given path. Flight time is up to 15 minutes. Headless mode, no need to adjust aircraft position before flight. One-click back function, you can easily find your way home. One-click takeoff, landing. One button takeoff or landing automatically. The drone will take off or return to the takeoff position. With low power protection over current protection, anti-interference uses 2.4 GHz technology. Number 5. Drone L900 Pro 4K Professional, with foldable arm, small size, easy to carry. Escape 4K HD wide-angle camera. Can be adjust the angle 90 degrees by controller. With 5G Wi-Fi function can be connected app. Take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. GPS assisted flight provides you with accurate positioning details of your drone. The drone will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of range. Never worrying about losing the drone. Optical flow positioning. Fixed point height, and it can shoot more easily and steadily. Indoor altitude hold mode. By setting the air pressure outside, the quadcopter can hover in the air stably, making the shooting easier. Gesture photo, video. You will break the old way of taking photo and find the fresh new thing by make gestures to record your beauty. Within the range of 1 to 3 meters, minus 28 minutes max flight time. The high-capacity 7.4 volts 2200 mAh intelligent battery yields up to 28 minutes flight time. Brushless motor. It is so quiet but very powerful when running. Breakdown rarely occurs and motor replacement is seldom required, which makes your flight more enjoyable. Follow me mode. The drone will automatically follows and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times. Easy to get complex shots, provides hands-free flying and selfie. Waypoint flight mode. Open the drone app. Use flight plan at your fingertips. Just draw a route on the screen. The copter will auto-fly as per the given path. Fixed points around. Choose one point. Then the drone will fly around the point in a circle. 6-axis gyro, which can have more stable flying and be easy to control. The quadcopter fuselage is made of high strength and resistant engineering plastics, lightweight and durable resistance.